am your host, Georgia Girl. We know fall is here. Time for the festivities like dinner parties. Holidays are coming up. And so I'm sharing a fall punch. This is a nice, refreshing punch. It's going to consist of pineapple juice, apple juice, and some ginger ale. And I have some ice, and I'm going to top it off with some apples. This is a very refreshing drink. Add in the apple juice. Add in some pineapple juice. Now I'm adding some ginger ale. And I will stir all three items together. In this picture, I have ginger ale, apple juice, pineapple juice. And this is a fall punch, very quick and simple. Just stirring them up together. I had washed some apples and cut them up. Now adding some apples in here, some apple slices. Added some ice. I'm gonna stir some more up. This is my fall punch. Nice and refreshing drink. This is my fall punch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. I pray you have a blessed day. Stay encouraged and always stay prayed up. And thanks for watching.